So we are with the team of Aranya Villas Udaipur. Jasper is with us. Nithi is with us. Can you tell me more about your property, Jasper?
So we are a 53-room nature resort right in the heart of Udaipur. A property like this you will not find in Udaipur. So basically, हमारा जो resort है, our unique selling points are villas, which are standalone studio villas. We are not a conventional box style hotel. So we have 53 villas, tents, and cottages, and we have all the nature activities like morning walk, temple walks. We are 500 meters away from Lake Pichola, so that is our unique selling point, being right in the heart of Udaipur.
Yeah, to add more, I'll say we are very centrally located, and the good thing about the property is within the radius of 1 to 3 kilometers, you'll cover all the important places of interest. So you don't need a vehicle; you can just walk and cover all the important places. And we have ample parking space, which is basically a challenge in Udaipur. So you can even park your coaches. And the famous Nilkant Temple, which is 800 years old, is located within the property only.
Nidhi, I would like to ask you, as you handle sales and marketing of the property, how would you like to, elaborate the things with the trade partners, and how do you work with the trade partners?
See, this property, in fact, it has a unique selling points. So, apart from our relationship with our trade partners, the property demand in terms of overall, in terms of domestic inbound and MICE and wedding is very high because of our strategical position in terms of our location and in terms of our services. So, our trade partners, they are very happy with our services, and we have lot of repeat clientels, and the word of mouth is like our guests, they have been acting as our ambassadors and they are spreading a word, and our rating is also very high. If you go through a Google rating and any overall OTA ratings are very high, so footfall has been very high. We are like only 4-5 years old property, and if you see the pickup ratio of the property is very high.
So basically, when we started with just 9 rooms, and 5 years down the line, the love and support which we have got from our guests, the travel agents, everyone associated with the trade. Now we have 53 rooms. So that's how rapidly we've grown in just 5 years. So that's all because of the love and support of everyone in the trade.
Thank you.